Hi, I'm Stamati from Redware, and we're going to be doing Turtle graphics today on your Scratch lesson. This might be your second lesson, and you might have come across Wonky Logo where you press forward, backwards, right and left, and you can move a turtle around the screen. Or you may have even done it at school with a little turtle running around the floor. Anyway, we're going to have a quick look at it all, and then we're going to look at it in an application called Wonky Logo with Play, and then we're going to look at it in plain old Scratch. So if you go to the Redware website, that's scratch.redware.com, and you look at projects, and you look at view projects, and you go to Redware Research Limited, where you'll find Wonky Logo with a play button. And you can either play it here, or you can actually open it up inside Scratch, which is probably a much nicer way to do it, and you can have a look at the project. Anyway, the way it works is you've got various key presses that you can press. So if I press a space, it's going to clear the screen. If I press forward, it's going to go forward. Right, 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 forward, right, 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 forward, right, 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 forward. And I've drawn myself a square. That's with the F, the R, and all those sort of buttons. If I press space, it resets. So if I want to draw a triangle, it's F, R, 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 F, R, 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 F. And that's a triangle. But I've got a P button, which is play, P for play, which remembers. So if I want to draw a square, I know it's 4 repeats, so I can go F, R, 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 and then I just press P 4 times, P, P, P. And that's the play button, that's the memory in this application. So if I want to draw a hexagon, it's F, R, R, P, 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 P. So you should be able to draw yourself various different shapes using this scheme. Now there's some great little things. We can draw a little star, for example, which is F, B, R, and then play, 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 play. And that's going to draw us a little star. I can also draw a squirrel, which I'm going to use G, which makes the line grow a bit longer. So I'm going to go F, R, 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 which is going to start off drawing a square. And then I'm going to press G, and also press O, which will change the colour. And then I'm going to go P, 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 P. And that's going to draw me what's called a squirrel, so it just gets bigger and bigger. I can also do that with a triangle. So I go F, R, 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 O, G, and then P, 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 P. And there you've got a sort of triangular squirrel, which is good fun. I can also draw flowers. So I do that by drawing a square first, F, R, 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 and I'll just change the colour with an O, F, R, 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 O, F, R, 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 O, F, R, 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 O, and then I just give it another little R. Now I'm going to press P, and then I'm going to keep pressing P, and that's going to draw me a flower. Now you can also do that with a triangle. So there you have it. You've got various different shapes that you can just draw with F and R, and that's the essence of Turtle graphics. Now what I'll do is, if I go to my projects, I should be able to show you a project called Turtle graphics, and inside that project I'm doing more or less the same thing, but in Scratch sort of programming. So you can see the same thing. Now I've got to just press space to get it started, to put the pen down on the screen. Now if you look here, this first script, if I just double click on it, it's going to draw a square. So it moves 60, turn 30, 30, 30, so it's going to turn 90. It's drawing a little square there. I can move the crab around the screen and just click on that, draw a square. And of course I could hook it up with this when space key press, or when key pressed, to make it work on just when I press the key. So if I do it here, I can just do it on A key, and when I press A, it's going to draw a little square. So space to clear. Now let's look down here at the triangle. a triangle, I just need to add an extra 30 degrees because the corner of a triangle is 120. So I will repeat 3, move 60 and turn 120. It's drawing me a triangle. Similarly, a hexagon. Now I'm using a little bit of maths here. I happen to know that 360 degrees is a complete circle, and so I know that I can repeat 6 times and turn by 360 degrees divided by 6, which I get from the operator's tab, and that's going to draw me a hexagon. Now here we go. I'm going to get a little bit more clever. I'm going to do a spiral, which if you remember we saw previously. For this I'm using a variable, so you can make a variable here for the sprite, and I'm setting the variable to 60. That's the size that it's going to move. So I'm going to move steps, which is 60. Then I'm going to turn 360 divided by 4, which is to draw a square, and I'm going to change it to just grow by 5, so it's going to draw me a spiral. And what's nice about this is if I change this to 3, it's going to draw me a triangular spiral. So that's pretty neat. Okay, now let's look here. We saw this before with an FBR. It's just going to draw us a little star. And this is another little type of star, so it's moving 60, turning 150. It's drawing a little star like that sort of shape. Which is, you can do lots of stars and make different shapes. You can change the pen shade and do that sort of thing, which is quite fun. This one here is a spiral that grows. So again, you can see lots of different shapes that you can make. And then finally, if you look here, I'm drawing a square, but then I'm just adding a turn 15 on the end, and then I'm putting it inside a loop, and it's drawing me a flower. So there you go. So that's how you do lots of different shapes. So now what you can do is you can take your One-Key logo program from last week and do a few more shapes. Have fun.